machine touch screen. This one is the display picture. So all we need to do is set the material thickness, pepcore thickness, and residence time. Material thickness means, okay, I show you this tape. So material thickness is here. So this is material thickness, but we should set a little bit more than the actual thickness. For example, if here it's 10 millimeter, and we can set 15. Pepcore thickness, the core thickness, normally we just set 5 is okay. Residence time, so after the blade, okay, coming forward, so cut on the tube, the blade should stay on the tube a little bit, and we normally set 0.5 till 1 second. And all the others we don't need to set. Operating picture, so motor starts. If I press this one, the shaft motor will be started, so shaft will be rotated. And auto cutting, if I press auto cutting, so the machine will cut automatically. I press stop. Okay, turn left, turn right, it's same like here. So moving to the right side and moving to the right side. Blade starts. Okay, so blade will be rotated. And sometimes, for example, if the blade is not very sharp, and sometimes when we cut different materials, we can also choose blade stop. Okay, I show you. So motor starts and the auto cutting. You see, the blade is not rotated. But if I choose blade start, so you see, both blade and the shaft is rotated. Okay. I choose blade stop, and I can also choose shaft stop. Okay. So the stop is same as here, and manual homing. So when you receive the machine. So first thing, you have to enter this operation picture and press manual homing to show you. So blade holder will go back to its original position. But after that, we don't need to produce manual homing. And discontinuous movement, it means same like here. So 间隔移位, same as this one. So I press it one time, it will move like one time. So if I set the width is 50 millimeter, it will move 50 millimeter. Water spray nozzle on off. Normally we should turn this on, so the water will spray out. And charge on off in here.
那两个没用
啊？
那两个没用。
没用是吧？那因为它这个换卷是不是？
对。
Charge on off only used for the single shaft and the double shaft cutting machine, because this one is has exchange system, so these two we don't use. Auto return means after cutting, okay, for example, it finish here, after cutting it will automatically go back to its original position. 那这个自动返回还有一个加动返回是吧？现在也没有在用了是吧？那不管了。
这个有没有用？
OK， OK， blade rotate straightly, shaft rotate reversely. It means both blade and shaft we can rotate in this direction and this direction. Normally we operate the machine, so we turn this on and we turn the shaft, shaft started or blade stop or blade started. Motor start and auto cutting, usually we don't operate here. We operate from this blue panel. Simulation. So I show this again. First we press simulation start. Okay. Until it not move anymore, so we manually move the blade forward. Now you see the blade and the tube, the gap is big, so I use high speed. So I manually move the I put this down, so the blade will be manually move forward. See? Okay, so when I see, okay, the gap is still big, so I move this forward, and now I see the gap is not so much. I need to change to slow speed. Okay, so I still. 谢老师，你帮我再按一下那个手动移位。
手动移位。
啊，对对，我现在在模拟，再重新给它拍，不是手动，这个上面。So I manually move the blade forward. Okay, I rotate the P tube.
抹到最下面。
You see?
有痕迹。
So we can see there's a mark on the tube. It means in this way the blade can cut the material, cut the core. And after that, I press simulation, confirm. Okay. It will go back. And sometimes, okay, if we find the simulation, the distance is not enough, I can increase a little bit from here or decrease a little bit from here. So every time when we change the blade, we have to do the simulation again. This step is also very important. Speed. Here, all this speed we don't need to set. We can keep the same, okay? All of this. All we need to adjust is main shaft speed and the circular blade speed. So you can, if you don't know how to set the parameter, you can let us know what you cut, what's the width you want to cut, and the diameter you want to cut. Okay, we will give you a reference. The other one, error check. I'll check here. So if machine has any issue, it will show red color here. You can let us know, and we will provide the solution. And sometimes, okay, so machine, if it has any issue, you can also check the servo driver. See the Mitsubishi servo driver, it will show some alarm on the here, so you can let us know. We will provide the solution for you. And log in here the system parameter. We don't need to operate. And model, single model. So normally only we use single edge blade, we use single model. It means we only cut one size, but normally we don't use single model. We use multiple model. Okay, model 1, so we can set whatever width. It's just for the edge trimming. The real cutting from model 2. For example, now I have one log roll. For example, it's 1 meter wide, and I want to cut 60 millimeter. So I will calculate how many finished rolls I can cut. And I calculate, for example, first cut, I have the trimming away. So I only set one piece. Contact speed means, okay, the blade move forward to here, the speed. Material cutting speed means cutting this material speed, and the core speed means the last speed. So with the 3-stage speed, the cutting will be more neat, so it will be better. Pepco speed. Angle. Angle, the principle is if the cutting width is small, the angle should be big. If the cutting width is bigger, say for example we cut 100 millimeter, and the angle setting should be small. And here from model 1, for example, totally we have 5 models, and the model 1 to model 4 we should use minus angle. Okay, only the last cut we use plus angle.